MILLENNIUM Driver is a collection of multi-range power supply units designed for 24 volts LED luminaires. Available in 25 watt, 50 watt, 75 watt and 96 watt versions. All models feature an ultra-slim profile of only 16 millimeters and are certified for international markets. M-Driver can be powered at 110 to 120 volts or 220 to 240 volts. All power cables, equipped with a plug-and-play system, connect directly to the power supply unit's input connector. On the secondary, M-Driver integrates a connector that enables easy connection to control units and addendum distributors. M-Driver can power 24 volts LED luminaires in the single-color, dual-color D-motion, and dual-color D-motion wave configurations. Luminaires can be connected to the integrated micro 24 slots on the power supply unit. Each slot supports a maximum load of 3 amps. An addendum distributor can be connected on the secondary side. The distributor integrates 6 micro 24 slots. This configuration allows LED devices to be connected to both the distributor and the power supply unit, expanding the total number of slots to 12. A distributor with micro 24 connectors with reverse polarity is also available. This configuration allows the use of the M-Driver to power 24-volt LED devices with a micro 24G connection system with reverse polarity. This configuration requires covering the side slots. Before installation, verify that the total load of the LED luminaires is less than the M-Driver's maximum power. For further details, please refer to the instructions included in the package.